Inihayag ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na inaasahan ng isang very serious restructuring o malaking pagbabago sa relasyon ng Pilipinas at China sa gitna ng umiigting na geopolitical tensions. Sa isang panayam, sinabi ng Pangulo na hindi na ito opsyon kundi isang bagay na nagaganap na at magkakaroon ng new normal sa ugnayan ng mga bansa sa rehiyon.
I think it's certainly going to happen. I don't think that's something that is like an option. It's happening now. There's going to be a very serious restructuring. I remember I was watching Prime Minister Wong from Singapore, and he was saying we redraw even our legal relationships in terms of the international law, in terms of all of these things. They will have a lasting effect, and there will have to be a new normal.
Bagamat hindi nagbigay ng detalye ang Pangulo, binanggit niya na ang isyu sa West Philippine Sea ay patuloy na hadlang sa mga pag-uusap kabilang ang posibleng joint development ng langis at natural gas. Sa kabila nito, iginiit ng Chief Executive na patuloy pa ring sinusubukan ng Pilipinas na ihiwalay ang territorial disputes sa trade at investment relations, lalo na't may malalaking proyektong pinopondohan ng China sa bansa.
We've been talking about for a great deal. But the territorial disputes will get in the way of that. Maybe this will provide impetus for both sides to come to an agreement.
Samantala, target ng Pilipinas na maisapinalang Code of Conduct sa South China Sea ngayong taon, kasabay ng pag-host ng ASEAN Leaders Summit.